Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi. First, let's prepare the sushi rice, which is the foundation of any great roll. Use short-grain rice and rinse it well until the water is clear. Cook the rice with a 1 to 1.25 ratio of rice to water. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. This gives the rice its distinctive flavor and perfect stickiness. Next, we prepare the nori and fillings. Place a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of your seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving the top edge clear. Now, arrange your favorite fillings horizontally across the rice. Think about fresh fish, creamy avocado, or crisp cucumber for delicious combinations. Now for the exciting part, rolling your sushi. Lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you, bringing it over the fillings. Roll tightly, pressing down gently to compact the ingredients. Continue rolling, applying even pressure to maintain a consistent shape. Moisten the exposed nori edge with a little water to seal the roll securely. You want a firm, cylindrical shape. Finally, let's slice and serve your homemade sushi. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with water, to make clean cuts. Slice the roll into 6 to 8 equal pieces, wiping the blade clean between each cut to prevent sticking. Arrange your beautiful sushi pieces on a plate. Serve them immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some refreshing pickled ginger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.